Video footage has emerged of Yemeni Houthi fighters attacking and heavily damaging a Saudi Arabian warship.
الله أكبر. الموت لأمريكا، الموت لإسرائيل، اللعنة على اليهود، النصر للإسلام.
Blew this shit up, man. WW3's at the door.
هذا العدو الأمريكي يحرق. هذا العدو بفضل الله سبحانه وقوته. أحرقناهم يا رب. يا رب وفقنا. هذا العدو الأمريكي يحرق بارجاته إنها تحرق في البحر.
Hey man, this Third World War is picking up, man. This Third World War is picking up, man. It's building up. With a Yemen missile hit Saudi Arabia, ballistic missile, and the Saudi warships was crippled by Yemen fighters, man. That's the times that we're living in. This World War III is knocking at the door, man. And they found that face of 7-year-old Donald Trump face, man. That's an omen of the end of the day, the end of days, man. America's end of days, man. We're in the last few seconds of this empire, man. And our empire's coming. Our kingdom's coming, man. The kingdom of Israel, the 12 tribes of Israel. You blacks, Latinos, and Native Americans, you Israelites scattered in the four corners of the earth, man. World War III is knocking at the door, man. It's drumming. The beats are drumming, man. Louder and louder. You should hear wars. You should hear wars of rumors of wars. Matthew 24:6.